Hi fam, our latest will be about MK events in the Eastern Cape. Let's follow up on that. MK is spreading like wildfire. It is now in different provinces. People are embracing it, even though there are those who are still skeptical about it. They feel that MK Izumas are family business. 2 days ago, MK officially launched in Buffalo City in the Eastern Cape. Attendance was very impressive, and this can only mean that MK is growing. In the next slide, check how everything unfolded in the Buffalo City. There was also another gathering in KZN, which is also part of this video. And please remember to also leave your comments down below and let us know of your take regarding this. And that's it from me. I'll see you again next time. Bye.